little friends. It's me, your happy hobby storytime bunny. Picture walk prediction is a powerful early reading strategy that builds confidence fast. By exploring pictures before reading, children learn to think, predict, and engage with stories. Let's hop to it.
Start by exploring the cover together. Look at illustrations and titles carefully. Ask your child what they think the story is about. Talk about the characters you see. Notice the setting and details in each image. Predict what might happen on each page. Use "What do you think comes next?" questions. Discuss feelings and actions of the characters. Highlight new vocabulary in the pictures. Make connections to your child's experiences. Turn reading into an interactive game. Encourage curiosity and critical thinking. Repeat with different books for practice.
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hop-tastic adventure? Bring the magic of storytelling into your New Year's Day celebrations. Inspire your children with tales that spark imagination, hope, and joy for the year ahead. Because every great reader starts with a great story. Let the journey begin. Happy reading, little bunnies. Bye-bye.